I am blessed beyond measures. I am grateful for all what I have and will accomplish. I am prepared to take advantage of the great opportunities presented to me. I will never give up on my goals and dreams. I accomplish anything I focus on. I am dependable and resourceful. I am a positive person who attracts positive situations for success. I choose prosperity over failure. I am prepared to work even harder to be successful. Today will be another successful day. I have created the perfect career for myself. My career is endlessly expanding. I love growing through my career. My career offers infinite opportunity for success. I love feeling wildly successful in my work. My work makes a difference in this world. My source effortlessly guides me career. I have the most fulfilling career. I am also appreciative of the opportunities in my career. My career is unfolding perfectly. I am breaking generational curses of employment challenges. I am my ancestors' answers prayers. I am the best version of myself. My drive is my superpower. I am paving the way of future generations. I am what a boss looks like. I am watching my bank account grow. I will exhale all negative vibes I encounter at work. I am abundant. I attract pay raises. I live in an abundant universe. I am a magnet for promotions. I have unlimited career opportunities. I am in competition with myself only. I earned my position. I have amazing qualities for this job. I will give my absolute best for this job. I always achieve my work goals. I release all tension from my work. I am full of great ideas. I confidently express my views. I will be present in every moment. I respect myself and my work. I take care of my team and members. I am understanding. Today is going to be a good day. I am strong, smart, and capable. I believe in my abilities. I bring positive energy to every situation. I am paving the way to success. I add value to my company. I earned my position. I am a trusted expert. I am open to my opportunities. I am creating a work life that I love. You inspire me to do better. Our company is a better place because you are a part of it. I love your personality. I appreciate the kindness and care you bring to your role. Your presence and talent makes a difference. The positive energy you bring is always appreciated. You bring something unique to our team. I feel lucky to work alongside you.